Good morning, students, dear viewers and learners. Today, I appear to all of you along with a piece of drama. In fact, our life is a drama. So today, I want to discuss in your domain about a piece of a drama. In other words, you can say play, which has been written by Susan Hill. The first of all, let us know something about Susan Hill. Susan Hill was born on 5th February 1942. She is an English author of fictions and non-fictions work. She has written many novels such as The Man in Black, The Mist of Mirror, and I Am the King of Castles, and such other novels. Apart from that, she has received Somerset Maugham Award in 1971. She has been appointed Commander of Waddell in English Empire. Really, she is known to explore the real things of the life. This is about Susan Hill. Now, let us know something, the theme of this play. The theme of this play, the name of this play is on the face of it, depicts the fears of handicapped, being isolated and discarded from the mainstream of the society. In this play, you will find two important characters named Mr. Lamb and Derek. Both are suffering from disability, but their attitude to life is totally different. Mr. Lamb is having thin leg, but he has a cherished positive attitude. On the other hand, you see, Derek is a young boy whose face is burnt due to fallen of acid, and he becomes very ugly to look at. Is very much angry. Now there is a question why? Because entire society hates to see his facial appearance. So he is very much disappointed and developed a negative attitude to his life. You know, the play highlights the fact that the sense of rejection and alienation is more painful than physical impairment. So, this is the theme of this play. Now, let us come to the main points of this play, you can say drama. In the present piece of drama written by Susan Hale, she has very vividly presented two important characters. I have already mentioned, my dear students, my dear viewers. First one, Mr. Lamb, is a handicapped, is having thin leg, and there is another character, Derek, young boy, but his face is burnt due to falling of acid on his face. So, he is very much desperate, disappointed, and his neighbor society hates him to see his face, because since his face has burnt because of acid, so his face has become very, very ugly. Nobody wants to his face. So Mr. Lamb is a very generous person. He has a big garden, and the main gate of his garden is always open. He does not prevent anybody from entering the garden. He always talks to everybody. Although he is very much handicapped, but he has not lost his spirit, is a very much positive attitude. And on the other hand, Derek is a young boy, physically fit, but his face is burnt due to acid. So he lives within the four walls of his house. Now there is a question, big question. Why he lives within the four walls of his house? Because society does not want to see his burnt face. It's very much ugly to look at. This is the main reason. One day what happens? The Derek comes to the garden of Mr. Lamb. In the evening time, he thought nobody will be there, nobody can humiliate, nobody can pass any comment on me to see my face. That is why he was trying to jump from the wall. In the meantime, Mr. Lamb heard somebody is trying to jump the wall. And by hook or crook, he comes to that boy, and the boy started running away to see that man. Lemon at that very juncture told him, "Boy, don't fear, stop, stop." At that very time, the boy told him, "I'm not afraid, but you people are afraid to see my face." So, again, the old man, Mr. Lamb, told him, relax, relax, you come and sit with me. So, Derek, a young boy, listened to him. He came to him. He sat beside him, and both of them started talking to each other. In the meantime, Mr. Lamb showed his leg. Dear boy, only your face is burnt, but physically you are very fit. You can run, you can fight, you can do anything. Despite that, you are very much disappointed, very much desperate. It is not well and good. So, you don't be disappointed. And you see my situation. I am totally leg. I cannot run. I cannot walk like all of you. But I am very positive. I didn't develop any negative attitude to my life. As long as I am alive, live happily. Happy go lucky. Don't disappoint from your life. Life is very precious. Once we get life, and if we lose our life, we can never gain, we can never get this precious life. At this time, Derek boy agreed, and he became very happy, and Landman's suggestion has gladdened him. And at that very time, Landman told, you please see my garden. A lot of apples are there. Can you pluck the apples? Wait. First, let me go to my house. I will inform my mother. Then I will come back and I will help you. No. I have seen many persons who have showed me like that, but they did not come back. But it is not so with me. Just let me go and I will inform my mother and I will come very soon to you. It's okay, no problem. And the boy reached his house by running in very glad mood, very happy mood, in very pleasant mood. Then his mother asked, what is the matter with you? Today you are looking very happy, very pleased. What is the matter? But today I have got my new life. So, old man has called me and I am coming. At that very juncture, just by informing his mother, and he came to the garden. In his absence, Mr. Lamb was trying to pluck the apple with the help of ladder. But the ladder slipped, he fell down, and instantly he died. So when the boy Derek came and he saw, and again he became very sad to see this thing. So here, my dear students, what is lotted cannot be blotted. And again the boy became very disappointed. Thank you, my dear students.